Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the first week of June, and this month I've decided to do all summer themes. So really excited about the collection for the kits that I put together for the next couple of weeks. And this week I decided to do a barbecue theme. So I wanted to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and put that together. And I've got a couple of different mixes of all sorts of different things here. These are some stickers that I had in my stash. You could see I've even cut out some stuff and used it in other things. I've got some die cuts here. The paper pack is from the Summer Farmhouse collection from I think it's, yeah, Simple Stories. From Simple Stories. So I want to kind of use this like teal polka dot, and I'm thinking about this gingham print for some of it, and then maybe some red polka dot. I'm not 100% sure. I've got some journal cards here too. I thought it would be fun to have this kind of little journal card in there, and then I have this cut apart. It says backyard barbecue. I've got a couple of these little things, and like I said, a bunch of stickers. So let's see kind of what I want to do first. So I'm thinking I kind of want to put this on here just to have kind of like a little you know, just something to kind of focus, like maybe have 3 things that I liked for the week. So I'm thinking about kind of putting that here in the corner. Maybe put the barbecue part here in on the front. I don't know, I might want to put it kind of taking up a lot of space there, but I could trim it down a little bit. Okay, so let's see. I definitely love this sticker that has like the little barbecue flame on it. So I wanted to definitely try to incorporate that. So maybe I will do a journal card with that on it. Let's go ahead. I think I'm just going to do... I don't like that these reds don't match. Maybe I'll do the polka dots instead. I think the polka dots will match better. Yeah, I think I'll do the polka dots. Let's... I'm going to just cut a couple of strips out of this paper. And then I think I'll also cut a couple strips out of the teal polka dot paper. So let me go ahead and cut a couple of strips out, and then I will be right back. Okay. So I just basically cut up some blocks, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of come up with a little bit of a pattern to cover the pages. Haven't done this like block thing in a while, so figured why not? Let's do teal on this side. Just so if I put this here, it won't clash with the red. I'm just gonna trim this card just a little bit on both sides. I don't think I really need color there. Let's put it here maybe. Yeah, I'll do that. And then we will put one up here and one like that maybe. And then I will put this down here in the corner. I like that it's like crinkled. Let me trim this one a little bit too. Not sure what happened to it. It feels. I think I might have rolled over with it in my chair. Okay, so I think I'll put that like here, maybe, and then kind of want something behind it. So, let's see. I have this little grillin' and chillin'. That's kind of cute. Maybe I'll put that there. Put this here. And then I kind of want to use I kind of want to add some blue to it because there are some blue stickers in here that I want to use. So I thought I could also potentially put some clouds, but I'm not really loving the clouds against this blue. Okay, so let's get this kind of glued down and then see where we are. So let's do that first. I'm just going to use my adhesive roller here. Put all the boxes down. I think for this little card, I'm going to go ahead and round off the corners. And then I'm going to use some little pop squares to pop it off the page a little bit. Okay, and then I think I'll do the same thing with this one. Just going to trim just the corners off of this one, just to make it look a little bit more finished. And then again, I'll just put some of these little squares. These are just from the Dollar Tree, just to give the page a little dimension. Okay, perfect. All right, I'm liking how that's going. Now I want to try to add in the blue. And I think I'm going to do that with the stickers. I've got some labels here that I was thinking about trying to incorporate. I know the color kind of looks off, but I think it will come together once I put some of these other things on there. Okay, so let's go ahead and I have some more of these blue labels. Let me go grab those. Okay. So I got all the labels together, and what I'm going to do, I have this little Xyron sticker maker, and basically what you do is you just stick the little label or whatever into the thing, and you just pull it, and it basically makes the back sticky. So I'm just going to do that on these ones to make the back sticky, just to make it easier to I think I can go that way. Nope, can't go that way. Just to make it easier to do the sticker, just use them. I probably won't use all of these, so, but oops, no big deal. That's no big deal. That one doesn't fit. It's pretty small, a little space you can use. All right, well, no. Okay. All right, so now that I got my labels all on sticker paper, what I'm going to do, we're going to kind of explain to you a little bit about what my thought process is for doing stickers, and then we'll go kind of into sticker time. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put down the labels this time. I don't always do this, but I'm going to put down the labels first and then go in with the decorative stickers, because I want to make sure that I just have, I kind of want to build off of the label stickers. So that's what I'm going to do first, and then we'll kind of decorate the different things. So we're going to do sticker time. Okay, so I think I'm done. I'm liking how the colors, I like how those are working out. So the thought, I really want to use this, and I'm kind of thinking I want it to kind of sit right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab a piece of this little acetate here, and I'm gonna just cut this. I want it to not interfere with the apron. So let's just cut it kind of like that, maybe. This is pretty thin acetate. As you can see, I did not do a precise measurement, just kind of going with it. So then I was thinking I'm going to put this here. I'm just going to use one of these little tab things that I am officially running out of. Let's just use see if I can. I just put some adhesive tape on it. I don't really like you're going to be able to see it, but it's all right. It's not super noticeable. Okay. So now I'm actually going to just kind of build the journaling card on top. Oh, I wanted it to be lower. Take it off. Okay. I want it to go right there. Okay, so then I want to build kind of on top of that. Maybe put that right there. And then I have this little cloud. I thought would look cute. And then maybe this little thing that says I love to grill. Yeah, let's put some, pop that up a little bit. You're going to be able to see all this adhesive in the back. I just now realized that, but it's all right. It'll look cute from the front. Okay, and then let's do the little sticks. They're on the ground. I really want to put this little let's just put this over here. I want to use, let's see, let's use the mittens. Put them next to the and then let's put hot barbecue. I like that color does not match. Let's put the little bees. And then the salt and pepper shakers. Put them down here. Or these are not salt and pepper shakers. This is ketchup and mustard. All right. I think that's good. Let me actually use this one instead of that one. Let's switch this out. Oh, just gonna put hot barbecue. And that'll go like right there. I don't know if I'm loving that, but okay, let's go ahead and get it in the book. I don't think I'm going to write anything in there tonight. Just not feeling it. Let's go ahead and get it in the book. Let me make sure I'm in frame for you guys. So that was my little barbecue theme. And then last week's was the last floral from Planner Society. So that's what I did last week. And that is, of course, going to be at the end cap of this video if you're interested in watching that one. Otherwise, here is my grill one. I really like how it turned out. I love the colors of the blues and the teal and the red. I think that's really, it's very Memorial Day too. Not planned at all, just happened to be that way. All right, well, that is my spread for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time.